I drop a pen, it falls to ground. I jump up high, come back around. I throw a ball into the sky. It goes up first, then comes down. Why? It is not magic, not a trick. There is a reason, clear and quick. Gravity pulls, it pulls things down. That is the rule. Gravity pulls, it keeps our feet on this big world. The earth is big, the earth is strong. It pulls us gently all day long. It pulls the rain, it pulls the sea. It pulls you and it pulls me. We cannot see it, but it's there. It works on land, it works in there. Gravity pulls, it pulls things down. That is the rule. Gravity pulls, it keeps our feet on this big world. When I jump, I fall back down. Because of gravity, I touch the ground. If there were no gravity here, we would float away, not stay near. The moon has gravity, small but true. That is why things feel light for you. The sun has gravity, big and strong. It keeps the planets moving along. Gravity pulls, it pulls all things, big and small. Gravity pulls, that is why we do not fall off at all. Gravity is always near, holding us safe year by year.